When you look at a program, you want to think, how is this place going to help me become who I want to be?
Come to Beaumont if you want to know that you're going to walk away from a program being competent and confident in what you're doing.
The main thing was the people. Everyone was just so nice and kind. I saw a lot of that as a medical student, and I wanted to become a part of that community.
This program offers just an unbelievable amount of numbers of cases, procedures, and a lot of hands-on ability and autonomy as well.
We're a very large system. We have 8 clinical campuses. They're going to see it all here at Beaumont.
Getting the opportunity to see the pathology and the patients at these hospitals, I think, has prepared me to be a good physician going out as an attending, just because it is such high acuity and it's a rapid pace, and you never really know what you're going to see. It's kind of the beauty of the ER and keeps it exciting for sure.
We just see so many different things in the span of a half day of clinic. You'll have such a wide range.
These faculty have been so good at making sure that us as residents are extremely comfortable in every single situation.
We get a pretty diverse patient population, and we get a really good mix of kind of the academic medicine component of medicine as well as the private practice side, which you don't often get at other programs.
We have such great support that it was overwhelming, but it was manageable. You got to learn clinic in general, and then you got to figure out your style and what kind of a doctor you want to be.
There's a lot of people that you meet that you want to emulate in your future practice.
My time at Beaumont has made me a better caregiver, working with the people that are here. You know, they're all great examples of not only great doctors, but great people.
Attending physicians, fellows, residents, nurses, social workers, dietitians, hospital-based physicians, and community-based physicians really all work together as a team.
Ask all the questions that you want to ask, and everyone will have a listening ear for you and always have time to help teach you.
There's going to be times and there's going to be moments where you don't have everything figured out and you just need someone to provide that extra guidance, provide that extra knowledge.
Our mission in training the next generation of physicians is a very daunting and sobering one, because we see even more with COVID and the challenges that we faced, how important it is for us to train people not just for what exists now, but what can come in the future.
The training that we've had over these last couple of years kind of all came together in our biggest test.
I think that our residents really stepped up and showed how passionate they are, that even during a time where you're scared and you don't want to get sick yourself, they jumped in and they took ownership and they did an amazing job.
Everyone was kind of willing to dig in a little deeper than what is even expected of them. Everyone went above and beyond.
We were equipped probably with the right skill set to deal with it eventually, but it took a team effort. It took, an army to really put it all together.
Everyone was working together and we all had each other's backs, and I think that has been the most rewarding experience.
We had a lot of support from our faculty, from our administration in supporting us, making sure that we were coping with everything really well, making sure we weren't in situations that we were uncomfortable being in, even if that meant putting our health and our safety above their own.
It's very important that every component of the healthcare team is working together in sync, that one group knows what the other group is thinking and that they're coordinating care for the benefit of the patient.
Picture this, it's a 1,100 bed hospital with multiple residencies, multiple fellowships, and we were all communicating together to some degree. Like people that I haven't even spoken to ever, we were just communicating to make certain things work, and it worked.
If you are looking for compassionate, kind people who really care, this is the best place for you.
Where are you going to finish and be the best clinician and physician that you want and need to be? And I just think this place is second to none.